Hello, it's me, Moony. Today we're gonna make some slime. Wow, look how many slimes there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 slimes! We have dark purple, blue, yellow, like a lemon. We have hot pink, that's my favorite color. We have green, ocean blue, purple, blue. Look at this, it's like a clear yellow. This is Cookie Monster blue. A pink, a green like the trees, orange, violet, light pink, light orange, red like an apple. That's my favorite fruit. And clear. Look at all the cool stuff it comes with. Sand toys. Wow! We have a pink lobster, a yellow dolphin, a green turtle, a blue seahorse, a pink octopus, a yellow seashell, a green star, and a blue crab. Wow, I love all the creatures of the sea. Look, beads! A baggie full of blue beads, a baggie full of clear beads, and a baggie full of multicolor beads. Wow, there's so many colors. Should we count the beads? I know there's a lot, but let's see how many each baggie has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $94, $95, $96, $97, $98, $99, $100, $101, $102, $103, $104, $105, $106, $107, $108, $109, $110, $111, $112, 112 beads! Look at all the glitter! It's so pretty! We have purple, light purple, blue, silver, red, gold, green, copper, blue, hot pink, light pink, and orange. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun with this. These are foam balls. We have blue, like the ocean, yellow, like a lemon, pink, we know this is my favorite color, and green like the jungle. We have rainbow foam balls and larger rainbow foam balls. They kind of look like gumballs, but I probably don't want to eat them. They're so squishy and fun. I can't wait to put this into some slime. A bag of mini fruit? Cool! I see a strawberry, a watermelon, and a kiwi, and so many more yummy fruits. What's your favorite fruit? Mine's an apple. Look, these are sugar paper, but not like the sugar you eat. These are for decoration. Purple and pink Oh, it's so pretty. This is glow-in-the-dark dust. This is if we want to make our slime glow in the dark. Okay, now should we start decorating the slime? I'm gonna use this purple. First, you have to warm the slime in your hand to make it extra stretchy for the stretchiest time. What do you think? Should we add some glitter? Watch it get shiny. Whoa! It's so pretty. What should we add next? What's that? Foam balls? Should we add pink foam balls?
No!
Should we add green foam balls?
No way!
What about multicolor foam balls?
Yeah!
Yeah? We should add multicolor foam balls?
Yeah!
Okay! Whoa! It feels so cool on my fingers. Listen to it pop. What color should I do next? Should I make yellow slime?
No!
What about blue slime?
No!
What's Moony's favorite color? That's right, pink! I'll make pink slime. For this one, I'm gonna add purple sugar paper. Whoa! So pretty. Add some clear beads. And voila! That's my pink slime. For the next slime, I'm gonna do yellow. Whoa, look, I can cut it like a pizza. It's a slimy pizza. Should I add some fruit on it? What do you think?
Yeah!
I can't hear you. Should I add some fruit on the pizza? Okay. Whoa, yummy. Okay, this slime is pretty cool with the fruit, but I think we can make it even cooler. What if we add some glow-in-the-dark dust? What do you think? Whoa! Time to make the blue slime. I think we should use one of the molds. What do you think? Should we do a seashell?
No!
No, I don't think so either. How about a blue crab?
Yeah!
All right. First, let's add a little bit of glitter. My favorite part. The purple glitter turned our blue slime purple. that's okay. Purple's my second favorite color. Okay, let's see how it looks. Whoa! Should we give it some eyeballs? Let's use the large multicolor foam balls. I'm gonna give it a smile. Ta-da! I love it! Thanks for making slime with Moony. I'll see you guys next episode. Bye!